Hi everyone, this is my reflection on Fantastic 5 formative evaluation. The result of our prototyping process was a descriptive storyboard and a microbit interface to play a word-guessing game which we call Mind Time, to be played preferably in groups that mix deaf, hard-of-hearing people and hearing people. To evaluate our prototype, we decided to use think aloud testing with one of the users we interviewed before. Since our design approach is UCD, our users has not participated in decision making, but our decisions throughout the process have been highly driven by the data they provide us. As Nielsen advised us, we asked our participants to get involved with the system while thinking out loud, verbalizing her thoughts. But in a first approach, neither storyboard nor technology were evident to her. So the first phase of the evaluation was descriptive and explanatory. And the second one was mediated by our question to endorse her feedback. Similarly to what Ludi et al. Described, our user identified accessibility issues, even though when prototyping was set out to do in the most accessible way possible. Following Ludi's reasoning in the process, while we were worried about how each part of the design contributed to its overall function, we applied a top-down understanding of the problem, while our user needed to understand steps and details of the assembling process, applying instead a bottom-up approach. These different approximations are partly a consequence of the use of UCD, a method that, according to Carroll and Rosen, in the matter of user participation, emphasizes the pragmatic over the moral premise and consequently generates lightweight design exercises to gather input from users quickly and without the verbal mediation of design rationales. This is reinforced disabled theory thesis of embodied knowledge and therefore places us as hearing designers in a position of dependence of our users to generate any improvement in our design. Thanks to this evaluation, our high fidelity prototype now contains instructions for the game, the microgrid assembly, and programming process, with pictures and diagrams of each step written in high contrast format. Our instructions contemplate a link with the pre-written code, given that our main objective is not microbit coding learning. All of these enhancements are important to maximize access and set an equitable play space where deaf, hard of hearing, and hearing people can share experiences. Thank you very much.